Hello to all the hair besties in the land. I'm so excited today. You guys have asked me to do a curling hair tutorial, so guess what? Today I'm going to share with you guys my technique on how to do the beach wave curling hair tutorial. So this is how it looks, and let's get started. After I rinsed out the hair color, I'm going to apply Guy Tang MyConfidant Color Securing Shampoo. A confidant is someone you can confide and trust in with all your heart. Someone that is by your side and has your best interests and listens to you with no judgment. The shampoo thoroughly cleanses the hair to remove any debris, to expose the color in high definition and true clarity. After rinsing out her shampoo, I'm going to spray on MyHero Collagen Repair Cuticle Sealer and Hair Softening Treatment and apply it throughout her mids and lengths so you can close the cuticle to lock in the color and increase that longevity. Your hair instantly feels that much softer on contact with the product. You get so much slip, it's insane. So now I'm gonna glide in my Confidant conditioner into her hair. It detangles instantly and the hair feels so soft. I love the luxurious consistency you get from the conditioner. So after I thoroughly cleanse her hair, I'm gonna apply #MyHairLube. It helps lubricate, providing glide and maximum shine, and protect your color from heat while blow drying. It helps tame the frizzy flyaways, control those unwanted antennas that stick up while you're styling. It calms your mane without any weight. Now we're ready to blow dry, and if I need to reapply again on dry hair to control some of the little bits and pieces, I can. You guys, I'm so excited. I'm going to share with you my technique on how I get that beachy wave that you see in a lot of my Instagram photos. I like to start from the front, and I like to use a 1.5 inch curling barrel. The bigger it is, the better. You don't want that ringlet look. Turn down the temperature low, 260 to 350 at the highest. So I start at that most important piece in the front, and I'm gonna over direct everything towards me. And I'm gonna move the iron quickly and twirl it, and then I'm gonna drag down. And that's how you get that beachy look on the ends. It doesn't look too done. The reason why I have more curl up here is because of the weight of the hair and the length is gonna drag. I'm gonna take all of the parietal areas, section by section, and I'm gonna curl it away from the face. And that MyHairLube that you already applied in the hair is gonna act as a shield, protecting the hair from the heat. Right along the hairline tends to be fuzzy. Tap it a little bit along those little baby hairs. So now that I'm done with the parietal section of her hair, I am gonna turn the barrel towards her face, over directing and curling towards me, and swipe and pull to flatten those ends. Because you're going opposite direction, it's gonna look more disheveled, it's gonna look more beachy, it's gonna look more natural. Don't rake the fingers through her hair yet. I'm gonna keep curling her hair until I'm completely done before I start the raking. In the next section, away, towards, alternating that. All right, so I'm gonna finish up the other side of her head, doing the exact same thing, over directing everything towards her face and alternating the curls. So now that her hair has sat for about 3 to 5 minutes, I'm gonna use my fingers and rake through the curls, and it looks more natural. All right, so right now I'm gonna spray my Stardust Intense Shine Spray. I'm gonna hold the spray far away, focusing on the ends, and kind of spray all throughout and let the mist land onto the hair. And what I love is you get intense shine from the product without the weight. I'm gonna go in with my Control Medium Hold Sculpting Spray. This helps me tame down any flyaways that you see up at the top. If you want to define any pieces and bring volume to them, you can. Finger out that curl and mist it on, and you can see how it's elevating. Look at that. So now it looks disheveled, sexy, and beachy. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Let's go, come on. I scream it louder, my superpower. Take you higher. My superpower. Gonna take you higher. My superpower. Living the truth from deep inside. Though we're apart, it doesn't mean Christy Rose, how do you feel about your hair?
Oh, so windblown in the very best way.
It's disheveled.
It's disheveled, but
Undone.
under control.
It's messy and it looks natural. That's the thing. It doesn't look like it's forced curls.
She ain't trying too hard.
I hope you guys like this type of video. It's very different than our usual coloring tutorials. Tell me what you want and I'll do it for you. Whatever you want, I will do it for you. Thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave all the links below. If you want to stalk Christy Rose, you can as well. High five.